Well, I thought I would show you kind of one of the ways that I spend the night. That's at a rest area. This is Lima, Montana. Well, actually, the rest area is, I guess, right in the little city or next to the city of Lima, Montana. I'm kind of behind a walkway and next to the building where the restrooms and everything are. There's some picnic tables over there, parking lot out front where people park their cars and the RVs and semis. And then some picnic tables on the other side of this building. I've already fixed dinner, but it was too windy out there at the table, so I actually just fixed it down here on the ground. I couldn't, the little stove that I've got wouldn't work in the wind out there. Interstate 15 is right over there, and about 15 miles that way is Idaho, which we'll be in tomorrow. I think I'm about 269 miles from Salt Lake City. So if I do 30 miles a day, that's still, 9 days. I'm going to try to up the miles, maybe 45, 50 miles a day. So tonight we'll be parked right here next to this building. Hopefully it'll give us a little more shelter from the wind. And it is pretty breezy out right now. But I'll be parked right here. The dogs will be in that little tent where Cooper already is. Then I'll put a plastic, it's actually a raincoat that I've used to cover up the dogs and the trailer. Gives them a little more warmth, and also I cover up the trailer just in case it rains during the night. And then I'll put on a few more warm clothes and sit here in my chair. If it gets really chilly, which it probably will with this breeze and the elevation that we're at now, then I'll get the sleeping bag out and I'll sit inside of it. It'd be nice if I could set up the tent, but I really don't want to risk getting in trouble and getting kicked out of here in the middle of the night. And I don't want to set it up just to have to take it down, a little bit later if somebody tells me I can't camp here. There are some electrical outlets, so I'm going to recharge the batteries tonight. There is, of course, water and restrooms, which is nice. And just hopefully it'll be a quiet night. I know it gets busy sometimes at these rest areas with people coming in to take breaks in the middle of the night or sleep. It was kind of, when I got here probably an hour ago, took the dogs out for a walk, there must have been probably half a dozen people, different groups, just like families or people, some eating, looks like picnic lunch or something, but they are just kids everywhere, little toddlers running all over the place. I don't know if maybe this is the place they come after church or something, and a lot of the vehicles they were in had Utah license plates, so I don't know if that means anything, but it was just kind of odd to see so many people. It was more like a park than a rest area. Anyway, we're just trying to get our way back to Arizona, and I look forward to a little warmer climate. I've kind of concluded that I prefer warmer, drier climates than what I've been in the Northwest and the North. So I guess I'm a desert person or desert dweller. But anyway, that's it. I'll Gotta get the dogs and everything ready for tonight, and tomorrow it's Idaho.